Well, it's snowing quite heavily. Can you actually see the cars? We're supposed to get in the next 2 days, foot, maybe a foot and a half of snow. It's actually very pretty out. We just came in from another walk in the woods and our flower garden. Another beautiful day in the neighborhood. Won't you be my neighbor? Oh, whoa, there's a gust. Kind of neat. The old windmills, oh my goodness, the windmill's spinning. Oh, wow. That's all I can say is wow. Well, I'll let you go now. Y'all have a great day from warm and sunny and fun Machias, New York with Dan, Karen, and the girls. See ya. Bye now.